In this video, I'll talk about what is thyroid escape. Now, in my previous video, I already discussed what is Wolff-Chaikoff effect, which occurs due to intake of excess iodine, and it leads to hypothyroidism due to inhibition of thyroid peroxidase, which causes decreased synthesis of thyroid hormones, leading to decreased levels of T3 T4 in the blood circulation, which will result all into hypothyroidism. Whereas there are some rare cases where instead of inhibiting the thyroid hormone synthesis, it will increase the thyroid hormone synthesis, leading to iod-based off phenomenon, which occurs in very rare individuals. Now, what is thyroid escape? If we talk, this Wolff-Chaikoff effect that we discussed, this effect is not permanent. Okay, this effect leads to hypothyroidism, but the hypothyroidism induced due to excess iodine intake is not a permanent action. This is because excess iodine is itself not having a permanent action. When a person takes in excess iodine, it causes certain actions and certain changes in the thyroid gland functioning, but these changes are temporary. They are not permanent, and there comes a time when the thyroid gland will resume back to its normal functioning, leading to increased synthesis of thyroid hormones. This escape is the thyroid escape, where thyroid gland will return back to its normal functioning and it will escape from the effects of excess iodine intake. So, putting it into words, thyroid escape, it is the escape of thyroid gland from the effects of intake of excess iodine. Now, what is important to note is that when does this thyroid escape occur? When excess iodine is given in normal subjects who have normal thyroid functioning, it will occur within 2 to 3 days. That is, within 2 to 3 days, the effects of excess iodine will wear off. That is, the fallout will happen and the synthesis of thyroid hormone will resume back to its normal. Whereas in hyperthyroid subjects, where already the synthesis of thyroid hormones is increased, if they are given excess iodine as a treatment to make them hypothyroid, there will be a delayed thyroid escape, that is, it will occur between 10 to 15 days. This is very important to note, that when does the thyroid escape occur. Now, we have seen in my previous video what are the actions of intake of excess iodine. First is it downregulates the expression of sodium iodine symporter, leading to decreased iodide intake. Second, it inhibits the action of thyroid peroxidase, decreasing the synthesis of thyroid hormones. Fourth is that it inhibits the action of endopeptidases, thereby decreasing the release of T3, T4 in the blood circulation. And this decreased thyroid hormone synthesis effect of excess iodine is specifically known as Wolff-Chaikoff effect. Now, let's see, why does this thyroid escape occur? Now, as I already told you, that effects of the excess iodine are not permanent. So, after some time, these effects will wear off and normal functioning will return back. Second reason why thyroid escape occurs is due to the autoregulation that exists in the thyroid gland itself, which we'll see here, that if excess iodine is taken in, it causes lowered intrathyroidal iodine content. This is because excess iodine intake causes formation of iodopeptides, and these iodopeptides will cause these all actions of excess iodine, leading to decreased iodide uptake. Now, if less iodine is taken in the cell, over time stores of iodine in the cell will start depleting, and the iodine content in the thyroid cells will decrease beyond a certain limit. That is, they fall beyond the critical levels that are necessary to be maintained. They will fall below these critical levels of iodine content. This will act as a stimuli for the thyroid gland to resume its thyroid hormone synthesis, leading to the thyroid escape. This is the autoregulation that exists in the thyroid gland. So, to wrap up, what is thyroid escape? It is the escape of thyroid gland which occurs because the effects of excess iodine wear off and due to the autoregulation that exists in the thyroid gland. Thank you.